Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Emma and today we are going to talk about morning activities.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Emma, how are you today?
I'm doing very well, thank you. How are you?
I am great. Thank you for asking.
That is wonderful.
Do you like mornings?
Yes, I love mornings.
Why do you like them?
Because the morning is fresh and quiet.
I agree. The morning feels peaceful.
It is my favorite time of the day.
What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 6 o'clock.
That is early.
Yes, I like to start my day early.
I usually wake up at 6:30.
That is a good time too.
Do you get out of bed quickly?
Yes, I do not stay in bed for a long time.
Me too.
I think it helps we have a better day.
What is the first thing you do?
First, I open the window.
Why do you open the window?
I like the fresh morning air.
That sounds nice.
Then I make my bed.
I also make my bed every morning.
It keeps my room clean.
Yes, a clean room feels comfortable.
After that, I wash my face.
Do you use cold water?
Yes, cold water helps me wake up.
I use warm water in winter.
That makes sense.
What do you do next?
I brush my teeth.
Me too.
Then I drink a glass of water.
Water is very important in the morning.
Yes, it helps my body.
Do you stretch in the morning?
Yes, I stretch for about 10 minutes.
That is a healthy habit.
Thank you.
I like simple stretching too.
It helps my body feel relaxed.
Do you exercise every morning?
Not every day.
What do you usually do?
I go for a short walk.
How long is your walk?
About 20 minutes.
Do you enjoy walking?
Yes, I enjoy looking at the trees and listening to the birds.
That sounds beautiful.
It makes me feel happy.
I sometimes jog in the park.
Really?
Yes, it gives me more energy.
That's great. What do you do after your walk?
I come home and take a shower.
I also take a shower every morning.
A shower helps me feel fresh.
I agree. After my shower, I get dressed.
What do you usually wear?
I wear comfortable clothes.
That sounds nice.
Then I prepare breakfast.
What is your favorite breakfast?
I like eggs, toast, and orange juice.
That sounds delicious. What about you?
I usually eat oatmeal with fruit.
That is a healthy breakfast.
Thank you.
Do you drink coffee?
Sometimes, but I usually drink green tea.
I like coffee in the morning.
1 cup?
Yes, only 1 cup.
That is a good habit.
Breakfast gives us energy for the day.
Yes, it's an important meal.
I never skip breakfast.
Me neither. Good morning habits help us have a good day.
I completely agree.
Now, let's talk about what we usually do before leaving the house.
Now let's talk about what we usually do before leaving the house.
Great idea.
Emma, what is the last thing you do before you leave home?
I always check my bag.
What do you check?
I check my phone, my wallet, and my keys.
Those are very important things.
Yes, I do not want to forget them.
I also check my backpack every morning.
That is a good habit.
Do you make a to-do list?
Yes, I write a short list every morning.
What is on your list today?
Today I need to work, buy some fruit, and read an English book.
That sounds like a busy day.
Yes, but I enjoy being busy.
I also write my daily plans.
Planning helps us stay organized.
I agree.
Do you usually leave home early?
Yes, I leave home at 7:30.
How do you go to work?
I usually drive my car.
Is the traffic busy?
Sometimes it is very busy.
I usually take the bus.
Do you enjoy riding the bus?
Yes, I like looking outside the window.
That sounds relaxing.
Sometimes I read a book on the bus.
That is a good way to use your time.
Yes, I also listen to simple English podcasts.
That is excellent for listening practice.
It helps me learn new words every day.
What time do you arrive at work?
I usually arrive at 8 o'clock.
I arrive a little later, around 8:30.
What is the first thing you do at work?
I say, "Good morning," to my coworkers.
That is very friendly.
Then I check my emails.
I do the same.
Do you drink coffee at work?
Sometimes, but I usually drink tea.
I like green tea in the morning.
Green tea is a healthy choice.
Yes, it helps me feel fresh.
What do you usually work on first?
I start with the most important task.
That is a smart idea.
It helps me finish my work on time.
I also complete the difficult tasks first,
Why do you do that?
because I have more energy in the morning.
That makes sense.
Do you talk with your coworkers?
Yes, we work together every day.
Teamwork is very important.
I agree. We help each other.
A friendly workplace makes the day better.
That is true.
Sometimes we laugh together.
A smile can make the morning brighter.
I completely agree.
Do you enjoy your morning activities?
Yes, they help me start my day with a positive feeling.
My morning routine also gives me energy and confidence.
Small morning habits can make a big difference.
I think our listeners can build a simple morning routine too.
Yes, start with one good habit, then add another.
That is excellent advice.
Thank you.
Now let's learn some useful English words and sentences from today's conversation.
Great idea.
Our first sentence is, I wake up at 6 o'clock.
This is a very common sentence.
We use wake up when we stop sleeping.
Example, I wake up at 7 every day.
Very good.
Another useful sentence is, I make my bed.
We use this sentence after we wake up.
Example, I make my bed every morning.
Excellent.
Another sentence is, I brush my teeth.
This is a daily activity.
Example, I brush my teeth after breakfast.
Very nice.
Let's learn another sentence.
I take a shower.
This means you clean your body.
Example, I take a shower every morning.
Very easy.
Now let's learn some useful morning vocabulary.
Great.
Morning.
The first part of the day.
Alarm clock.
A clock that wakes you up.
Breakfast.
The first meal of the day.
Shower.
Washing your body with water.
Exercise.
Activities that keep your body healthy.
Wonderful.
Now let's talk about grammar.
Today we are using the simple present tense.
We use it to talk about habits and daily routines.
Listen to this sentence.
I drink water every morning.
This is the simple present tense.
Another example.
She walks to work.
Notice the word walks.
Yes, when we talk about he, she, or it, we usually add s to the verb.
Here are more examples.
He eats breakfast at 7.
She drinks coffee.
It starts at 8.
Very easy.
Now let's look at I, you, we, and they.
We do not add s.
Example, I eat breakfast.
We study English.
They go to school.
Excellent.
Now let's learn one regular verb.
The verb is walk.
Walk, walked, walked.
This is a regular verb because we add -ed in the past.
Now an irregular verb.
The verb is go.
Go, went, gone.
The past form is went, not goed.
That is important to remember.
Yes, many English learners make that mistake.
Now let's practice pronunciation.
Great.
Say this sentence slowly.
I wake up at 6 o'clock.
Very good.
Now another one.
I make my bed every morning.
Excellent.
One more.
I take a shower before breakfast.
Great job.
Practice these sentences every day.
Repeating simple sentences improves your speaking.
It also improves your listening.
Learning English takes time.
Yes, but practicing every day will help you improve.
Small steps every morning lead to big progress.
I completely agree.
Before we finish today's conversation, we have a question for you.
Yes, we would love to hear from you.
What is your favorite morning activity?
Please write your answer in the comments.
We enjoy reading your comments.
Your answers help you practice English.
That is true.
Keep your sentences simple.
For example, you can write, I drink coffee every morning.
Or, I go for a walk before breakfast.
Every sentence is good practice.
Do not worry about making mistakes.
Mistakes help us learn.
Exactly.
If you are enjoying this conversation, please don't forget to like this video.
And subscribe to our channel for more easy English conversations and podcasts.
We upload new English learning videos every week.
We hope our videos help you speak English with confidence.
Now, let's continue talking about healthy morning habits.
I think drinking water in the morning is very important.
I agree. It helps our body after a long night's sleep.
I also like opening the window to get fresh air.
Fresh air helps me feel awake.
Sometimes I listen to the birds outside.
That sounds peaceful.
It makes me feel calm and happy.
I also enjoy watching the sunrise.
The morning sky is beautiful.
Yes, it gives me positive energy.
I think a good morning starts with a smile.
I completely agree.
Small morning habits can change our whole day.
That is very true.
Before we finish, let's review today's useful words.
Morning,
Alarm clock,
breakfast,
shower,
exercise,
fresh air,
walk,
water,
routine,
healthy.
excellent.
We also learned useful sentences.
I wake up at 6 o'clock.
I make my bed every morning.
I brush my teeth.
I take a shower before breakfast.
I drink water every morning.
These are very common English sentences.
Practice them every day.
Repetition helps you remember.
Listening helps your ears.
Speaking helps your confidence.
Reading helps your vocabulary.
Writing helps your grammar.
Try to practice a little every day.
Even 10 minutes can make a big difference.
Learning English is a journey.
Keep learning step by step.
Keep learning step by step.
Never give up.
Believe in yourself.
Before we say goodbye, we have one more question.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
Do you eat eggs?
Do you eat bread?
Tell us in the comments.
We look forward to reading your answers.
Thank you for spending your time with us today.
We really enjoyed today's conversation.
We hope you learned some useful English.
Keep practicing every morning.
Stay positive and keep learning.
Thank you everyone for listening.
We hope to see you again in the next episode.
Have a wonderful day.
Stay happy, stay healthy, and keep practicing English.
Goodbye everyone.
Bye!